Welcome everyone to the first workshop in the Beltane celebration today. We're going to be making love candles, and this is a self-love candle, but I'm actually going to be talking a little bit about different candles you can use during Beltane, because Beltane is a fertility celebration. The first candle you may already see is the male part on the table, and that's typically used to represent the male. And we do have the female version of the candle as well. Typically, if you do a ritual with both of them, you will have them in separate containers, burning them for fire safety. Right, my love?
I take no comment to that.
But you also have different candles too for Beltane. Depends on which type of ritual you're going for. You can also have the lover candle. That's an embrace. There's different versions of it. Some of it will come with a heart. Some of it will be red. Some of it will be different colors. I've seen them in white. Sometimes you'll see some of the colors of the candles will come in black. Depends on your practice, especially in Santissima. Black represents a very strong protection magic aspect of the candle color. So that's why you'll typically see the female part in Santissima's, a lot of her workings will be black for that protection, especially if someone went through something horrible. So today we're going to be doing a little bit hands-on crafts as well for making self-love candles. And we're going to make our self-love candles, and we're going to do a quick little meditation with it so you can infuse your intentions into your candles. So when we make our candles today, you're going to come up and you're going to take a chime candle, and we have a blend of rosemary, hibiscus, and rose petal. Rosemary is for protection, hibiscus is supposed to spread love, make it abundant, and the rose petal is a representation of love because you typically give roses to someone that you love. And we have two different types of oils that we're going to use for the candles. It depends on which one you want to use. When you come up to make your candle, we have a protection oil, and then we have a love attraction oil. Now, also I need to preference this if you are making any type of love candles or self-love candles. If you want to do one on another person, make sure you have their consent. If not, you might get a stalker, because I've seen that happen. Or it might bounce and it might hit the wrong person if you're not specific in your workings. So when you come up, you're going to take a chime candle, and you're going to take a little bit of it, and you're going to rub it all over the candle. And then or you're going to take a little bit. And then you're going to put it in a little bag. And then once it's done, you put it together and you keep it towards your heart until we do the meditation. So who wants to make a candle?
Me? I'm right here. So.
Yes. I have two sections, so you guys can do it on either side.
Come on up, form a line.
Form a line.
I'm in the
So we have one line here and one line here. So yes.
What is it?
Which one are you making?
Not
No, the both. The both.
Same thing.
It's the same thing.
Oh, then it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Okay.
Get out of center. Just get out of center.
So which one do you want?
Doesn't work. What do you mean?
The love ones? Okay. Let's make sure you do it over the plate. Which one do you want? The love?
He might get offended if I got the priority.
Some of that. And you're going to rub your herb on your candle. If you don't do that, okay. You want to keep your herbs in your hand. And then you're going to put them
My bad. I quit washing my hands. You gonna make what?
My friend makes it. I'm a pastry on Etsy.
I think like, once you have it in the bag, then it's like you're gonna get things out of there anyway. I put it in a mirror.
Yeah, this is protection and this is
Get them off the way. You were distracted by something amazing.
there's still more.
Are you out on the road?
No, it was closed when I opened it.
Now you get some bread.
I made him go to
This is my beloved wife. I don't do that.
Yeah, I'm especially fond of the Beltane.
Yes. So you want to put oil into the candle. This is the love one.
It closes upside down, so it's like, I feel like every time I close it, I'm holding it upside down, and I realize it's not.
That's the worst attack machine today we've ever breathed.
And it smells really
You didn't actually have to fight any monsters.
But we got 3 weeks ago, I got Amp for Hogwarts. She gave us $50 game card.
Monster you actually fight them.
When you
And I jealous.
No, because she did it because she did it just because we were one of the consoles we had. I'm trying to.
Don't talk about how your brother
Well, the people are feeding me, but
The restaurant's right.
I got his permission. He just doesn't want to come up and get me.
I don't like that one.
I'm gonna make one for him.
this is attention.
The restaurant will be out. The other half goes to
Yeah, we can. Can I jump into something?
No, dude, not like, why do I need this?
Now you want to do some earthing. Now if they don't stick, that's okay. If you can put the rest of it in the So everyone has their candles now, if you want one? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a very quick meditation. So what you do is you hold your candles towards your heart and you take a deep breath and close your eyes.
Meditation time.
You are walking down a beautiful beach. The sun is rising up and you see the beautiful sun coming up for a beautiful day. You hear the waves peacefully and beautifully crashing against the shores. You take a moment to realize how beautiful nature is. And you also realize how beautiful everything is, including yourself. You take another deep breath and then you open your heart into the universe to accept the love that you're meant to have. By doing that, you take another deep breath and then you start walking down the beach again. And then you start seeing all the birds, all the wildlife playing together and living in harmony and love with each other. And now you know the universe has blessed you with love. When you are ready, you may open your eyes. And I want to say thank you for everyone who participated in the first workshop. Thank you.
When should we burn these candles?
So when you burn these candles, you want to do it during a full moon because that's going to be more powerful, or you do it as the sun's rising in the morning on a brand new day.
Very good. Thank you.